Who says you need expensive tools to create jaw-dropping presentations like this? Today, I'm going to show you how to design professional grade slides using entirely free software that anyone can access. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or professional, this step-by-step guide will help you craft stunning presentations that will captivate any audience. From design tips to the best free tools, I'll walk you through the process of creating slides that stand out without spending a single penny. By the end of this video, you wonder why you ever paid for presentation software. Let's get started and take your next slide to the next level. So if you want something like that, I recommend you to head over to Canva because as you can see, they have a lot of presentation templates right here that you can choose from. So if something doesn't fit your needs, you can head over and then just choose other presentation templates they have and edit it to your liking. So let's head over and then choose in your template. So for example, let's click onto this type right here. You can choose in here the kind of template that you're looking for. It can be a company, business, education, project, or anything else that has been added right here. So for example, let's clear this and then let's add in here an education template. So let's click onto this education. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this. So for example, let's click onto this feature. So let's click onto this animation option because who doesn't like any animation? So for that, let's click on color and let's choose in here color that we're looking for. So you can also skip it and head over and just choose in here style that you want. For example, let's choose in here illustration as well as colorful and animated in order to jump back all of these packages. So once you have filtered all of that, you should be able to see in here any presentation that actually fits your need. So for example, for this one, I'll head over and then just go and choose in here this pink and purple, which is an intro to medicine. So let's click on it right here. And let's click onto this customize this template. Now, once we have done that, we should be able to see in here the actual presentation that we're looking for. So in here, it will load for a few seconds until we can see it right there. So you can actually change up the details that has been added. So we all know that we can't actually be looking for intro to medicine. So you can change up the title of anything that you're looking for. So for example, let's put in here something like hearts and aorta. Let's say something like that. And then you can add any element that you want or any text, or you can also remove some things that you want right here. So the key to powerful presentations and stunning presentations is their formatting. So as you can see for this presentation, it uses purple and actually pink. So we can see in here that they uses those colors and they apply it all throughout the actual presentation, which gives it a uniform look, which is neat and professional looking. So that's one of the points. Next point is to add in here a presentation, animation, or transcription. So to do that, just right click on any page, click onto this add transition, and just choosing here a transition that you think will actually go over to this one. I recommend you to choosing here this flow or to this match and move. But I recommend this flow right here because as you can see, they move seamlessly. Let's click onto this right here and make sure to apply it to any pages. So apply it to all pages right here. And now the transition has now been applied. Now, next thing you need to do is just head over and then edit out anything that has been added while maintaining the color scheme. If you don't like the color scheme of pink and violet, what you can do is you can head over to any part of it, click on this background color and change that to color that you want. So for example, let's choose in here other colors. Let's choose kind of a yellow. Let's click on this right here and let's choose a yellow thing and click on change all. Now, next thing is to just click on the violet and change that into something that will complement that color as well. Click on the text color and then, for example, for this one, let's choose green. Let's click onto this color and then let's choose a green that will actually complement this and click onto this change all right here. So next thing you need to do is to just change the other things that has not been changed into the desired color that you want and click on change all and make sure that the elements will also head over and then change up to the color that you're looking for. So as you can see, the element is still purple, so you can head over and add any other element that will complement the design. Now let's see what it will look like. Let me show you what it looks like right here. So here it is. And let's go over to the next page. Really stunning, really professional, just what we're looking for right now. So you can head over and click onto the share option and click onto this download option in order to download this presentation. But take note that Canva is not the only app that will do this. So you can head over and go over right here to our new tab and search in here for slides. And then from in there, just search for Google Slides until you can see this Google Slides option right here. So once you have done that, it will create in here a presentation for you, which is a blank presentation. Don't worry because they will also provide a template that you can choose from as well as some themes. So you can also import a theme that you can see on the internet if you would want to. So for example, let's choose in here a dull looking one. So I have chosen this one. Don't worry because you can still head over and then change up some things for this. So don't worry because even though Google Slides is kind of limiting, they still have their ups and downs. So you can head over and then change up anything that we have right here. So let's apply right here our colors as well as the text. Just head over and click on any which one of them in order to change the colors. So for this one, just click onto this plus tab in order to add a new page right here that you're looking for. You can head over right here to your tools and format in order to change the formatting that has been added right here. So let me head over and design it. Make sure to follow the color scheme all throughout the presentations. And if you want to add a transition, just head over and click onto this transition option and click onto this none right here. And you can choose it here, the option that you're looking for. You can see what it looks like right here and then click on play in order to see what it will look like. Head over and choose in here the actual transition that you're looking for right here. And if you don't like one, you can head over and choose another one from there and click on play in order to see what it will look like. Now from in there, make sure to apply this to all slides and let's see what that will look like on a slideshow. So here is our presentation. Let me head over to the next page. And this is what it will look like all throughout. So as you can see, Google Slides is kind of weak in order to create a particular presentation, and I still recommend Canva over this one. But don't worry because we still have one other application that able to actually create a stunning presentation. So let's head over right here to our new tab and search in here for Beautiful.ai. So Beautiful.ai allows us to make a presentation that automates slide design and the likes. So just head over and click onto the sign up now button right here in order to sign up for this. Just choosing here the presentations for 10 times faster. But for this one, let's try this first for free. Let me head over and then sign up first. So you can see in here the template that they have. So you can head over and see the templates that they have. For example, the all templates, HR, startups, or if you're a student, you can head over here to the education and steal some education templates. However, do take note that Beautiful AI have all of these things right here, but they're actually quite limited as well. So I recommend you to head over and then just generate the template on your own. They can actually do that because it's an AI powered presentation maker. So last but not least, let's head over to our last application for this video, which is PictoChart. So click onto this pictochart.com and then from in there you should be able to see this. So for this one, let me head over and then sign up first in order to create our presentation and I'll get back to you. So we have successfully signed up to PictoChart. So what we can do is we can click on this generate AI visuals. And then from in there, it will head over to our generative AI editor. So for this one, you can actually create infographic, print, social media, presentation, and document. But for this one, let's head over and choose presentation. And let's choose in here this education lecture. And then enter in here your topic. So for example, let's put in here heart and aorta. Then click on this generate education or lecture slides. Do take note that you should be able to choose in here a design that it will generate for you, and you have 50 credits, and they take up around 1 credit to create a presentation that you want. So for example, for this one, let me head over and then just choose this particular presentation or template. So as you can see, they also have a lot of templates that you can choose from. So just head over and choose from that one, and they will also generate the content for you. And you can should be able to edit them out as well as change up the color scheme that has been added. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and to make things even easier, I have put an actual presentation slide on the description below that you can download for your own and use it for your own. So you can grab it now by checking the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you're looking for even more inspiration, check out my playlist featuring Canva tips and other applications. You can head over and hit the like button, leave a comment, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy creating, and I'll see you again in the next video.